everyone, Lauren here. So I just got a package in the mail from Thrive Market. I just signed up to be a member and I've ordered a few things already. This actually has like inside, I don't know exactly what's a part of it, but there's like a new member like welcome gift, and they say it's about the same price as like your yearly membership, so I'm very curious. And then I'll show you the new stuff that I got for this shipment. Every time I order something, it's a little bit different, so I don't know if this stuff that I purchase myself is like as exciting, I guess, as the first few things. But in the past I got some like, okay, everything. I got nuts and seeds and coconut oil and olive oil, like all of the really good essentials. And I also love the Bonza pasta, so Michaela eats that a lot, so I bought some of that too. So this shipment, I will show you. Check out all of this stuff. So I'll start with this. So got some baking cups, great for muffins and things like that, and I do prefer to get these like unbleached ones, so I was excited to see those on the website. And let's see. Oh, I got some probiotics for Michaela. So she's been drinking those Yakult little drinks, the little yogurt drinks, but they have like 11 grams of sugar in them. So I wanted to try something a little bit different and see if she can have some of these instead. They're little chewables. And then, what are you? Oh yes. Sometimes their packaging is a little intense, but I understand. They don't want anything to break on the inside. But I got this coconut Aminos. It's going to be very similar to soy sauce, but it is gluten-free and made of coconuts. And I'm really excited to try this. So I have a Soma water pitcher, and I saw that on Thrive they had a 2-pack of the filters for the price that I pay usually for one of them per month. So I had to buy these, and then I put my Soma like recurring filter purchase on hold for a moment. So always love to have a good filter, and I love that pitcher. It's one of my favorites. Okay, and then this. So I use these plastic bags over again. I put them in Michaela's backpack in case she has an accident at school and they just put her like dirty clothes in it. So, and then I got this stuff. So this is Ripple milk. It is made out of pea protein. So it tastes like almond milk. It has the texture of almond milk, but it is made of pea protein, and it has like a lot of protein in it. Way less sugar than regular milk, and Michaela loves drinking it out of these little things. So that's all I purchased this round, but then I got the little, oh, this was the other thing I was wondering about this. So bees wrap. I have not been buying saran wrap and tin foil. I am really trying to cut back on that type of stuff because it's not good for the environment. Tinfoil is not good for you and your health, really. So it's good not to use it too much. I was using it for baking and a lot of stuff, but this I'm so excited for. This is a 3-pack of the beeswax. So this will, you can see on the back, this will cover up little bowls or food or whatever you need to cover up and preserve. So I'm very excited for that. I was so excited when I saw that on the website. So this is the little gift. Oh. So it comes in a cute Thrive reusable bag for the grocery store. Let's see what's inside. A little seaweed snack. I love seaweed. I like snacking on it. I don't always love it with sushi, but I do like it. And what's this? Hemp hearts. So, oh, it says you can sprinkle on salads and stuff, and yogurt. This is cool. I'm into it. Some healthy omega fats. Let's see. Okay, some Kind bars. This is my favorite flavor of these, dark chocolate with nuts and sea salt. Yummy. Ooh, what's this? Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. So this is Picnic Butter Coffee Dirty Chai with MCT oil. Yummy! I'm excited to try this. I love bulletproof coffee. I had one this morning and maybe that's why I have so much energy today and I'm so productive, but I'm really into like utilizing all those healthy fats and especially in coffee. Yum. Or in this case, chai. So this, oh yum. Some almond butter. You always need a good almond butter. Yummy. And then this. Ooh, yum. So I like this brand, Primal Kitchen. I do have the ranch dressing of this, but this is the balsamic with avocado oil. Yummy! So I usually just use like a balsamic vinaigrette on salads, and this is perfect because I was almost out of my other one. And then what's next? Oh, let's see, a DVD, Prosperity. So let's see, takes you into the world of conscious capitalism. Should be really interesting to watch. I'm trying to be conscious about everything. And then lastly, in here is a couple samples. So volumizing shampoo and conditioner sample. And then another one, repairing conditioner and shampoo sample. I always like to use samples. So awesome, I'm so excited. I always keep these bags in my car for the grocery store. But awesome, let me know if you guys use Thrive. I just, like I said, I just started my membership. I will put my code down below and I think you get 25% off if you use my code. So use it, shop, and there's tons of really good stuff on there, great snacks and essentials for your pantry. So anyway, how exciting. I love getting stuff in the mail. So this is fun for me. Let me know what you guys think of what I got and let me know what you got too. I will talk to you soon. Bye.